welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing. It was a gift from a subscriber, but I also follow him on Instagram and he follows me, and I saw that he was giving away some plants, but it was, I think, local, and then he offered to send me a few that he had left over, so I was excited. But of course, he's so nice and generous, he sent me extra. So this is his Instagram, and his name is Adam. He just had a giveaway for some really nice looking like hedgehog cactuses. So that ended already though. But anyways, there it is. He's so nice. So it just says, hi there, Adam here. And he says that everyone calls him Baker. Anyways, wanted to send you these cuttings as a thank you for all your hard work making videos and sharing your experiences. Love your Home Depot and Lowe's trip as well. Hope you enjoy these babies and they all root and thrive in your yard. Baker, thank you so much. I'm excited. I'm so excited because, you know, you didn't have to, and you're just sharing from your garden to mine, and I'm super excited. So let's see what we got. Okay, let's see. I think, oh, these are all the cuttings. Let's see. Look, it's super cute. Let's see if I can get the paper open. I couldn't even set up my tripod because I was too excited. Look at them. They're so cute and chubby. And I think he also sent me an alto right here. I love altos. They are very thankful in my yard. I have an alto over there, and she does very well. Quite a few heads on the other one. These are super cute, and his paw is so full. Imagine, he gave some away. He still had some left over to share with me. So it looks, I would say it's a very prolific plant because obviously he had a lot in abundance. And then what is this? Oh, I think he sent me in this paper, I think it's names. Let's see. Echeveria set Oliver. And then there's a Echeveria Esther cristata in here. And like I said, oh, wait, I think that's just not any. Wait. Oh yeah, blue alto, okay. And then a lily pad. And then these are called, here we go. This is what that one's called. And then the lily pad. And then this one, the name is down here. Crasula ovata variegated in the blue alto. It is a blue alto, you're right. And then the set Oliver. And then the Echeveria cristata. So let's see. So this would be the lily pad. And right now, this is dormant. She's dormant. So she'll take a little while to root, but she should do just fine. I'll put her in the greenhouse and see. In the shady part of the greenhouse. So I think some of them came loose here. So that one, I believe, it goes with that one. And it's I think that's the Oliver one, this one. Yeah, it just got really, like I said, it took a while to get here. But the mail is running slow right now. I've heard a lot about it, that it's running slow. So it looks like, you know, the mail tossed it around a decent amount. Wow, this is heavy. What is this? Hold on. Hold on. What did you do? What's in here? Oh. Okay, this is the cristata, I think. And he sent it in a terracotta pot. So cute. Aw, that's super cute. And then this is the variegated. Hold on one second. That's the ovata variegated crassula. super pretty colors. Little dehydrated, but she will perk up. I know they'll perk up right away. So and that's it. There you go, guys. Thank you, Baker. These are so pretty. This one I need to fix her a little bit just because, you know, it had a little rough ride, but no biggie. She will perk up. And these, thank you so much. I'm excited to add these to my collection. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate all you guys watching my videos and supporting me. As usual, guys, have a blessed day, and I will put all of Baker's information down below. He does have giveaways, and also I think sometimes he sells some of his plants. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll put his link down below. Thank you guys so much. Have a blessed day. Bye, guys.